What's the meaning of chief inspector? Chief inspector. Chief inspector.
Chief inspector. Chief inspector. A chief inspector is a high-ranking law enforcement officer responsible for overseeing and directing the work of a group of inspectors. This position can be found in various fields, including police departments, regulatory agencies, and private organizations. The role requires strong leadership skills, as well as expertise in the area being inspected. Chief inspectors are tasked with ensuring that inspections are thorough, efficient, and adhere to established standards and protocols. They may also be involved in developing policies and procedures, as well as conducting investigations and enforcing regulations.